The harsh truth about car buying: most people are doing it wrong. They're dropping $30,000 plus on depreciating assets when legendary reliability is sitting right there for pocket change. We're talking about cars that have already proven themselves in the real world, some with taxi odometers over 500,000 miles, others still running strong after 2 decades. This isn't a guess. This is based on hard data from RepairPal, Consumer Reports, and millions of real owner experiences. Here are 20 cars that refuse to die, cost almost nothing to maintain, and prove you don't need a car payment to drive smart. At number 20, the Toyota Corolla, 2003 to 2008, the immortal commuter. Average price, $3,500 to $4,800. Average annual maintenance, $362. Reliability rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Corolla isn't just reliable, it's aggressively reliable. RepairPal ranks it with excellent ownership costs at just $362 annually, with low severity of repairs and major issues being uncommon. Here are the numbers. 30 plus miles per gallon combined fuel economy. Routinely exceeds 250,000 miles. Shares parts with 14 different Toyota models. Cheap repairs forever. Pro tip: the 1.8-liter 1Z ZFE engine in these years is virtually bulletproof. Early models had minor oil consumption issues, but that's usually a $200 fix that solves the problem permanently. What owners say: my 2005 has 280,000 miles and I've never had a major repair. Just oil changes, tires, and brake pads. Car Guru's owner review. 19. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011, the overachiever. Average price, $4,000 to $4,900. Average annual maintenance, $368. Reliability rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Civic ranks 3rd out of 36 compact cars for reliability, with excellent ownership costs and repair frequency much lower than other vehicles. Here are the numbers. 0.2 unscheduled repairs per year. You'll barely see a mechanic. 32 plus miles per gallon highway. Engines routinely cross 200,000 miles. Hidden gem alert: the 8th generation Civic, 2006 to 2011, has one of the most refined 1.8-liter engines Honda ever built. It's so good they used variations of it for over 15 years. Real-world proof: multiple taxi fleets report these crossing 300,000 plus miles with just routine maintenance. 18. Toyota Camry, 2002 to 2006, done the comfortable tank. Average price, $3,200 to $4,600. Average annual maintenance, $388. Market availability, high. Toyota's best-selling sedan. The Camry from this era hits the sweet spot. Before electronic complexity, after major reliability improvements. Here are the numbers. 2.4-liter timing chain engine, no expensive belt replacements. 250,000 plus mile capability proven in taxi service. Ranks 3rd out of 24 midsize cars for reliability. Why it's special: the 2AZFE engine is one of Toyota's most durable. It's the same basic design that powered everything from Camrys to Scion TCs to RAV4s. Insider tip: look for the LE or XLE trim. They have better soundproofing and more comfortable seats for long-term ownership. 17. Honda Accord, 2003 to 2007, the driver's sedan. Average price, $3,800 to $4,900. Average annual maintenance, $400. RepairPal ranking, number 1 out of 24 midsize cars for reliability. The Accord isn't just reliable, it's enjoyable. This generation found the perfect balance between durability and driving dynamics. Here are the numbers. 31 miles per gallon highway with the 2.4-liter. Proven 250,000 plus mile capability. Parts interchangeable with multiple Honda models. Critical buying tip: stick with the 4-cylinder. The V6 models had transmission issues that Honda didn't fully resolve until 2008. Real-world validation: these Accords are still common in rideshare fleets because they simply don't break down. 16. Toyota Avalon, 2000 to 2005, poor man's Lexus. Average price, $3,000 to $4,500. Annual maintenance, $463. Engine, 3-liter 1 MZFE V6, legendary durability. Want luxury car comfort with economy car reliability? The Avalon delivers both. Here are the numbers. Easily hits 250,000 plus miles. Same powertrain as Lexus ES330. Full-size sedan space at compact car maintenance costs. Why it's undervalued? People assume V6 equals expensive. The 1MZFE engine is actually more reliable than many 4-cylinders and gets respectable 2432 mpg. Buyer's advantage: low demand keeps prices down, but reliability stays sky high. 15. Lexus ES330 2002 to 2006. Luxury without the headaches. Average price $4,200 to $4,900. Annual maintenance $468. Badge: luxury reliability without luxury repair bills. This is the cheat code, a Lexus that shares parts with Toyota. Here are the numbers: 200,000 plus mile capability with minimal drama. 3-liter or 3.3-liter V6 engines with proven durability. Uses many Camry components. Affordable repairs. Smart money play, you get leather, premium sound, and luxury ride quality for less than a base model Corolla costs new. Pro tip: the ES330 2004 to 2006 has the more refined 3.3-liter engine and updated interior, worth the slight price premium. 14. Honda Fit 2007 to 2013. Maximum space, minimum problems. Average price $3,500 to $4,700. Annual maintenance $390. Cargo space 57.3 cubic feet, more than some SUVs. Don't underestimate this little powerhouse. The Fit proves good things come in small packages. Here are the numbers. Owners regularly push past 200,000 miles. 33 plus miles per gallon combined. Magic seats create van-like cargo flexibility. Engineering marvel: the 1.5-liter L15A engine is Honda's most fuel-efficient non-hybrid power plant. It's also incredibly durable. Practical genius: rear seats fold completely flat, creating a 4-foot by 8-foot cargo floor, perfect for IKEA runs or small moves. 13. Scion XB first generation, 2004 to 2006. The reliable oddball. Average price $3,800 to $4,500. Annual maintenance $386. Engine 1.5-liter 1NZFE Toyota Echo powertrain. Boxy, yes. Weird looking? Absolutely. Reliable? Unquestionably. Here are the numbers. Many owners report 250,000 plus trouble-free miles. 31 miles per gallon combined. Massive interior space relative to footprint. Hidden truth: it's basically a Toyota Echo wagon. Same bulletproof engine, same rock-solid reliability, just in a more practical package. Culture bonus: strong enthusiast community means great aftermarket support and easy DIY repairs. 12. Pontiac Vibe 2003 to 2008. Toyota in disguise. Average price $3,200 to $4,400. Annual maintenance $392. Secret: it's actually a Toyota Matrix with Pontiac badges. This might be the best reliability bargain on the market. Nobody wants a Pontiac, but everyone should want Toyota reliability. Here are the numbers. Same 1.8-liter engine as Corolla. Some owners hitting 300,000 plus miles. 35 miles per gallon highway capability. Buyer's advantage: Pontiac badge depreciation equals Toyota reliability at Kia prices. Fun fact: built in the same factory as the Toyota Matrix, using identical Toyota powertrains and major components. 11. Mazda III 2004 to 2013. Reliability meets fun. Average price $3,600 to $4,800. Reliability above average across all model years. Driving dynamics, best-in-class handling. Finally, a reliable car that's actually fun to drive. Here are the numbers. 2-liter and 2.3-liter engines regularly hit 150,000 plus miles. Later models, 2010 plus, have improved rust resistance. 32 plus miles per gallon highway. Driver's choice: unlike most economy cars, the Mazda 3 has genuinely engaging steering and handling. It makes daily commutes enjoyable. Buying smart, 2010 plus models got significant rust protection improvements, worth seeking out in salt states. 10. Lincoln MKZ first generation, 2006 to 2012. $40,000 car for $4,000. Average price $3,800 to $4,900. Engine 3.5-liter Duratec V6, 263 horsepower. Depreciation: brutal, good for you. Want to feel rich without being poor? The MKZ delivers genuine luxury at economy car prices. Here are the numbers. 200,000 plus mile capability with the V6, same basic platform as Ford Fusion. Heated, cooled leather seats, premium audio, smooth ride. Reality check. Watch for transmission delays and power steering leaks, but these are usually minor fixes on an otherwise solid car. Status play. Nobody expects a $4,000 car to have ventilated leather seats and a premium sound system. 9. Toyota RAV4 second generation, 2001 to 2005. SUV space, car reliability. Average price, $4,000 to $4,900. Fuel economy, 25 miles per gallon combined. Excellent for 2001. Capability, true four-wheel drive available. The RAV4 proved you could have SUV practicality without SUV headaches. Here are the numbers. 2-liter or 2.4-liter engines easily cross 200,000 miles. Shares parts with Camry and Corolla, cheap maintenance. Available with true part-time four-wheel drive system. Market reality. These are becoming collectible. Clean examples are appreciating instead of depreciating. Practical genius. Rear-mounted spare tire and rear swing gate provide maximum cargo space in a compact footprint. 8. Honda CR-V second generation, 2002 to 2006, the practical choice. Average price, $4,200 to $4,900. Annual maintenance, $410. Engine, 2.4-liter VTEC, 250,000 plus mile capability. If you want a taller Civic with cargo space, the CR-V delivers exactly that. Here are the numbers. Proven 250,000 plus mile durability. Real-time AWD for all-weather confidence. Interior space that rivals larger SUVs. Common issue. Alert. AC compressor problems are frequent but predictable. Budget $800 to $1,200 for replacement. Then enjoy years of trouble-free operation. Family favorite. Consistently rated as one of the best family vehicles for long-term ownership costs. 7. Toyota Highlander first generation, 2001 to 2007, 3-row reliability. Average price, $4,500 to $4,900. Seating, up to 8 passengers. Powertrain, choice of reliable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder or 3-liter V6. Need to haul people? The Highlander combines minivan practicality with SUV style and Toyota reliability. Here are the numbers. Most examples already past 200,000 miles and still running. Available AWD for all-weather capability. Maintenance costs similar to Camry despite larger size. Buying caution. Some V6 models had oil sludge issues, but only with neglected maintenance. Well-maintained examples are nearly bulletproof. Family math. Cheaper than a minivan, more reliable than most SUVs, and practical enough for road trips. 6. Toyota 4Runner, 3rd early 4th gen, 1996 to 2004, Apocalypse Insurance. Average price, $4,000 to $4,900, high mileage examples. Capability, serious off-road ability. Durability, routinely exceeds 300,000 miles. If you need a vehicle that can survive anything, the 4Runner is it. Here are the numbers. 3.4-liter Vi6 or 4-liter Vi6 engines are virtually indestructible. Body-on-frame construction for serious durability, proven in commercial, military, and expedition use worldwide. Critical inspection of frame rust is the only real killer. Southern and Western examples are worth the travel expense. Resale reality. These barely depreciate. Buy clean, maintain properly, and you might sell for what you paid. 5. Subaru Forester second generation, 2003 to 2008, adventure ready. Average price, $3,800 to $4,900. All-wheel drive, standard on all models. Capability, 200,000 plus miles with proper maintenance. The Forester proves you can have AWD reliability without breaking the bank. Here are the numbers. 2.5-liter boxer engine with proven durability. 22 miles per gallon combined. Excellent for all-wheel drive. Ground clearance higher than most SUVs. Known issue, head gasket problems were common, but most have been fixed by now. Look for service records showing this repair. Adventure economics, cheapest way to get true all-weather capability with car-like fuel economy. 4. Toyota Prius second generation, 2004 to 2009, hybrid pioneer. Average price, $4,200 to $4,900. Fuel economy 45 to 50 miles per gallon. Proven durability, some taxi examples exceed 600,000 miles. The car that proved hybrids could be reliable and boring, but mostly reliable. Here are the numbers. Taxi fleets regularly log 500,000 plus miles on original battery. 45 plus miles per gallon in real-world driving. Lower emissions than most cars built today. Battery fear factor. Used hybrid batteries now cost $1,500 to $2,500 installed. That's still cheaper than most engine rebuilds. Economic reality. At current gas prices, the fuel savings alone justify ownership. 3. Ford Crown Victoria, 1998 to 2011. The indestructible cruiser. Average price, $3,500 to $4,800. Engine, 4.6-liter V8, 300,000 plus mile capability. Built for police, taxi, and commercial use. Built to survive police chases, taxi duty, and government fleet abuse. Here are the numbers. 4.6-liter modular V8 can run past 300,000 miles. Parts are dirt cheap and widely available. Body-on-frame construction for serious durability. Fleet advantage. Many examples come from well-maintained government or commercial fleets with complete service records. Comfort bonus. Rear seat space rivals luxury sedans. Perfect for tall passengers or long road trips. 2. Buick Lacrosse first generation, 2005 to 2009. The sleeper hit. Average price, $3,200 to $4,400. Engine GM 3.8-liter V6 Series 2. Annual maintenance, $370. Surprise! General Motors made the list with one of their most reliable powertrains ever. Here are the numbers. 3.8-liter engine routinely does 250,000 plus miles. Parts are incredibly cheap due to high production volume. Comfortable ride quality rivals luxury cars. Hidden gem status. Nobody shops for these, which keeps prices low despite excellent reliability. Engineering note. The 3.8-liter Series 2 was GM's most refined V6, used across multiple brands for decades. 1. Ford Ranger, 1998 to 2011, the unkillable truck. Average price, $4,000 to $4,900. Engine options, 2.3-liter 4-cylinder or 3-liter V6. Capability, 300,000 plus miles with basic care. The Ranger isn't flashy, modern, or particularly comfortable. It's just utterly reliable. Here are the numbers. 2.3-liter and 3-liter engines are agricultural-grade durable. Parts bin is virtually bottomless. Simple construction means DIY-friendly repairs. Truck economics. Comparable pickup capability to modern trucks at 1/10 the price. Real-world proof. Construction crews, landscapers, and small businesses run these trucks until the wheels fall off, which takes about 20 years. The bottom line, smart money moves smart. These 20 cars prove a simple truth. Reliability isn't about spending more, it's about spending smarter. Every car on this list has already survived its depreciation curve. They've proven their durability in real-world conditions, and they'll keep running long after newer cars are in junkyards. The math is simple. The $5,000 purchase price, $400 per year average maintenance, 5+ years of reliable transportation. Total cost of ownership under $7,500. Compare that to a $30,000 new car payment alone. Your next move, pick the body style you need, find the cleanest example you can afford, and enjoy years of reliable, affordable transportation while everyone else makes car payments.